Well, again, it's a job that really wasn't too bad at all, but I can say that because I'm under the guidance of Paul, who has actually done all this before, so it makes it so much easier. And as ever, I really appreciate his help. He's hiding out a shot there, but now it's the infamous moment where we've secured the base, and we were going to put the other red bolts in, but then I thought, well, hang on a minute, let's do the first spin. So I'm going to secure the GoPro. I hope that's a decent view. Remove, because obviously, like Paul says, when I get to a destination, obviously when you secure it properly, let's put it that way, you've got the 4 securing bolts in, which are easily undone plus. But when you get to said camp, wherever you are overnighting, you're wanting to turn the chair, obviously there is no requirement really to put all 4 of the securing bolts back in, which I fully understand. So the big reveal, let's do the one solitary secure bolt, and I'm hoping, Paul, is it just a question of yeah, oh look at that, oh my god, that is amazing.
And then line it up, put your one bolt back in,
line it up, which is just there like so. Oh jeez, I am so excited at this. Thank you so much, mate, for your help. That is brilliant.
and your head just about touches the visor, but you're not short of headroom.
Since I've had the rock and roll bed put in, so excuse the mess everywhere, invariably when I go away, I've got into the routine now. I've been away on quite a few trips, of which very guilty of not really filming, but I'm going to be fixing that. But anyway, when I go away, I pull the bed out and just keep it out really, and consequently, other than the bed itself sitting on the bed, so this is just going to be fantastic, because obviously I can keep my bed out now when I'm on location, if we can call it that, and I've got somewhere comfortable to sit as well as my bed out. It's just excellent. And it is ironic as well, the fact that this was the first thing I wanted to get when I got Renault. Oh, it's really important to have the turn the seat round, and it's ended up being the last thing I've done. I say that the last thing, no doubt I'll be spending more money at some point on other things, but yeah, job done. Really, really chuffed. Thanks to Paul. How chuffed am I? I'm actually sat back now. Like I said, it's so full of junk, but if I'm sat back here and I pan round, Paul there is modelling the new, and
footstool.
The dunny, acting as a footstool. Nothing like a shitter as a footstool. But yeah, never really, I didn't even do a video when I had all this put in. It was, and I'm glad Paul's here because he can remind me, it's a really nice guy called Matt, and it's called, what does he call himself? Can you remember?
Is it Matt's Campers?
No, I think he called himself something else. This is where you rely solely on, I'll be putting text up, but really nice bloke called Matt, based in Fenton, in Stoke-on-Trent. And he basically designed and did all this for me. It was like a big IKEA project. He does sort of all the flat pack. I came and collected it all, took it all home, took it to my partner's house and utilised her garden, and it was quite amusing. In fact, I'll fish out the photos, and I painted it, painted every single unit, and then took it back to Matt at Fenton, and then he fitted all this in, which I'm over the moon with, and then obviously the rock and roll bed as well. So I am getting close really as to where I wanted to be with Renault as a fully functioning camper really. So now I am going to just show how easy it is to replace, ready for my journey home. So obviously it was secured with one of these, so remove that. Just a question of lining up the holes. Which is probably the hardest bit. And then dropping these red bolts in. Which obviously you tighten up. I'm just going to drop the front two in. Obviously probably a bit more important just to do those up a bit tighter. That's it. And that is not going anywhere. The one thing that we have got to do is this is that will be the seat belt sensor, and you do have to disconnect that, and obviously to save your dashboard lighting up like a Christmas tree, it's important to remember to reconnect this, which is ever so straightforward. Voila, job done. And one forward facing seat. Very, very pleased.